Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Fiverr account permanently. First of all, just open up your browser and go for fiverr.com and then click on this sign in button. And now you will see this option here and you can log in with your account. You can go for this continue with Google, or if you remember your email and password, just put in and log in. And now after logging in, you just have to tap on your profile icon and then tap on this settings, and now you just have to scroll down all the way to the bottom and you can see this account deactivation button. So you can read these instructions carefully, and after this you just have to select this option I am leaving because, and you can choose any option here. Like I'm going for this, I have another Fiverr account, and then Fiverr will give you another box to improve himself, so you can add anything if you want to tell Fiverr. If not, you can just tap on this deactivate account and your Fiverr account will be deleted permanently. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.